So I ordered 40-foot sheets because I did not want any seams. But after these guys were delivering the 40-foot sheets, I started to second guess my decision. So this was our first stab at getting these 40-foot sheets up on the roof, high enough so we can actually get them up on the roof. We put 30-foot purlins underneath them, and this was definitely a safety concern. We got 4 sheets up there and decided this method was a no-go. So we designed a 25-foot lifting cradle and had a little snake friend there to watch us work. We surprisingly only dumped 2 40-foot sheets. They came crashing down, nobody was harmed, and decided that we need to C-clamp them on the lifting rig before lifting. So this was definitely a learning curve.
For me, break for me, break that body for me, what, work it.
So we ran the proper seam tape on every seam and ended up with around 91 screws per sheet at 40 sheets. So we were, needless to say, tired of screwing when we got done. We installed a windstorm rating roll-up door. This was our first door ever for either of us, and we read the instructions multiple times and ended up figuring it out, and it works just fine.
Drop that.